Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2005 Yamaha WR450F. This 450cc trail bike, green sticker, just arrived in excellent condition. It's got electric start, a nice exhaust system, wait till you hear that, web core. Beautiful condition. Make your open class trail bike dreams come true with this liquid cooled 450. Fuel injection. Oh, maybe not fuel injection. Wait till you see it start up on the first push button with that magic button. No financing on this bike. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Push the button,